So you finally decided you was gonna fast. You did a big boy fast too, 36 hours. But then you ruined it all by eating the wrong meal.
What you know about rolling down in the deep? Down in the deep. Now I know y'all be loving this shit right here. Rolling. What you gonna do? Rolling. What you gonna do?
Welcome back to Dogtown Media. It's Coach Turk, and I'm in here in the kitchen. Before we get started, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. All right, so most people who fast, some of them understand all the benefits you get from fasting. However, they throw them all away just when they break the fast. Okay? Especially when you do a real long fast. So I just finished a 36-hour fast. Okay? And right now my body is in what's called autophagy. That's where proteins get recycled, cells die off, flushed out, dead cells go away. And it's the metabolic environment is great for fat loss. Okay, and what I do next is going to determine whether or not I'm going to get those benefits or am I going to ruin it. So how do you ruin it? Coach Turk, how do I ruin it? I'll tell you. Loading up on a bunch of carbs. That is the number one way to just ruin this fast. Why? Because right now, and if you haven't, go and watch the video that I dropped yesterday, okay? Because I touched on this, but in case you hadn't watched it, you should. Right now, I am in a very low insulin state. My glycogen levels are depleted. I am in fat oxidation for sure. My body has converted yellow fat into brown adipose tissue or BAT. And I am like a little furnace just burning inside. No pun intended. Okay. So, but I can ruin all that by eating a hamburger, a pizza. No, you can't do that. Because what's going to happen is my insulin is going to spike immediately. Well, Coach Turk, what can I eat? You can eat some protein. That's not going to spike your insulin. So let me go back a little bit. If your insulin spikes, you go from fat burning to fat storage. That's exactly what you just did. Now, am I saying that you're going to immediately gain weight? No, that's not what I'm saying. But what I am telling you is your body is no longer wanting to do lipolysis. It is wanting to hold on. Okay? It's not wanting to let go of the fat. And you don't want that. If you're going to fast for 36 hours, you want all the benefits. So right here, okay, I'm breaking my fast. You can see it right here with some kale. Okay, now that's a whole frozen bag of kale. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna eat 50% of it right now, and I'm going to eat 2 pieces of tilapia, and I'm going to cook it in oil and get me some saturated fats. Well, why? Why? Because protein, which the tilapia is, this particular tilapia here, it's only 100 calories each. It's actually tilapia loins. it has 19 grams of protein per fish. Okay, so I'm going to eat 2, and none of this is going to spike my insulin. Okay, this has 0 carbs in it. It's a meat. In the kale, the carbs that are in the kale are clean carbs, and it's not enough to do anything. I mean, even if I would have eaten the whole bag. As a matter of fact, let me look on the back of here. Total carbohydrates, 3 grams. So even if I eat the whole bag, there's 12 grams of carbs in the entire bag. Okay, so, and I'm only eating half. So you figure 6, I'm eating half the bag. So I'm getting 6 grams of carb. That's not going to do anything. Okay, so, but what you want to eat it. You want to break your fast with non-carbohydrates or very, very low carbohydrate, some greens, break it with maybe some spinach, protein. It's debatable about protein shake. I know some people do break it with a protein shake. I don't really see anything wrong with that because it fits the criteria, especially if you're doing a 0 carb protein shake. It's probably going to depend on the milk. Me personally, I wouldn't use milk. I would probably use water just to break the fast with it. I make the shake out of water. I wouldn't put any fruits or anything like that. Just it'll be water and the protein itself, and that would be that. So if you're going to there's a lot of great benefits to doing a 36 hour fast. I mean, I feel great. I mean, I feel wonderful. I feel energized. And I didn't feel energized and great last night when I was in that gym trying to work out fasted. And I'll post that video later on. But I did want to drop this little nugget for you on how to break a fast. And I'll make a longer video getting more into the benefits of fasting. But for right now, I just wanted to drop that little tidbit on you. When you do a long fast, you break the fast, it is very important on what you eat next. Okay? Now, like I said, I'm going to break this down in half, and in about 90 minutes to an hour to 90 minutes, I'll eat again, because all I want to do is slowly integrate the food back into my system. And I want to give it time to do something. Okay? So I'm going to put half it in there, 2 pieces of fish. Get me some kale in me. All right. Drink me probably 2 bottles of water. Okay. And then in about an hour and a half, I'll eat the other part. And I may, instead of eating fish, I might even eat a couple of eggs. Okay. And now I'm good to go. And then the rest, I'll follow my meal plan, which for the next 4 days, I'll be eating less than 50 grams of carbohydrates. And then on the weekend, I plan on doing heavy legs on the weekend. Then I will do what's called a refeed, where I'll eat about 150, 200 grams of carbohydrates, because I'm going to be deadlifting heavy, squatting heavy, and doing big back, doing some big back movements. Okay, so we're going to need that extra energy. All right, so that's it for this video. I hope you learned something. Go subscribe to the channel, follow me. Coach Turk out.